In this video, I will show you how to import stocks data into Excel. I will use this website to gather information about stocks from these tables available over here. I will use this only first table for this demonstration purpose and export this data into Excel. So let's get into it. We will first go to Data tab, click on From Web. In here we will paste the URL, which is this website. Control C, Control V, and we will give it a moment while it loads. When it has loaded, we will view the data in these tables. The table 1 shows me KEL, WTL, Hub CXD. We will verify that whether this is the same data that we are looking for. Yes, it is KEL, WTL, Hub CXD, and the last value is NBPXD. And over here it is also NBPXD. Now if we want to make any changes, we will click on transform data. Otherwise we will just click on load. There, all this data from the website has been exported into Excel. Let's confirm we have the right values. KEL price 3.67, change minus 0.17, and volume is something like this, a big number. I will just add some commas into it. It is 50 million. Okay, 3.67 minus 0.17 and 3.67 minus 0.17 and 50 million. That's it. That's all it took to import data from a website into Excel.